Hello YouTube, and today I am playing Minecraft. Now, I know on my channel I don't do the greatest redstone creations and they aren't the best, but I have made a project. I've already built a lot of it out of redstone, but it is a redstone computer. Now, it is working, it's just not fully functional yet. So it does work. So if we go over here and press the on button and we see that the loading screen will turn on. And this is our app. We have our first app right there. Now, if we go to, that's app 1, and it'll be app 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 6, because there's only 6 buttons. If we go to the sign that says 1, this is button 1, we click button 1, should load up a game that I'm creating. Now, there we go, and we got it. We got the floor for our game, and we got a character for our game. Now, if you want to turn this thing off when you're done with the game, you just simply press this once. And this is a work in progress, so kind of confusing, but you want to press that once. Then it will show app 1, which is kind of a glitch for this, and then you just want to press the button, and that should mean it is safe to turn off. It will show the loading screen, the app will go off, everything will go off. And it's just a really cool thing that I really like. And here's the redstoning behind it. It took me a lot of redstone just to create that one app that's not as functional as thing. But let's go down to the keypad. Now I had to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it was really confusing because I did not do them in order. The first order was like 1, 4, 5, 3, 3, 2, 6 or something. Oh, and then I organized them using this and a ton of repeaters. We go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I had to spread them out so they want to connect, and I can go up to the surface. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is how I organize my buttons. And then these still are going to connect to that to do something, but I only have 1 and 2. 2 is a really work in progress, and 1 is the thing that makes the app and the game start. So I had to use a lot of these. This will activate saying, okay, the app's on, and this one, when the app is on, this would say, okay, if we do this and the app is on, then we'll activate this, which will keep this on, and we'll start the game and the bottom screen and a lot of stuff. So it's basically like programming, but using like a string. If you have like a string and just move it around a lot, and you see all these curves and stuff. It's basically that, just more spread out and have wiring for it. So what I'm going to do for this before this video ends. It's a short video, so just letting you guys know. Before the video ends, this is what I'm doing with this. I'm going to put pistons. One piston will be down at a time when I press the pressure plate for 2, because this will say if the app 1 is running, which is a game, then we'll put this down, which will be able to do the controls to press 2 to go back and to move your character back, and 3 to move your character forward. And once like that, and once this is on, this will be like, this will connect and say if you click this, then you want to go to app 2, which I'm not going to really name these. So app 2 would be about right there, and that'll turn off. These two will turn on, that will turn off, this will turn off, and it'll load up something. So app 2, I'm trying to make it like an internet browser or something. Not huge function for that, it's just going to have some lights and showing that this is where you browse the internet. And after that, again, you would press the pressure plate, it'll show the app 2 and app 1, and then it'll turn off, and then you can turn it back on and do app 1 or engage. So if this was pretty confusing, I know it is. This, I don't know what I was doing. I was just trying to mess around. This is going to be the tower for it. I just haven't created it, and I emptied it out for a function. But the real thing I only used it for is the power on button right now, so hopefully I can do something cool. But otherwise, I used pistons with redstone blocks, so it only gets 1 redstone lamp at a time instead of getting 3 and just making it ugly. So that is basically, if I just go there, that is basically the redstone computer that I'm working on. and I am having lots of fun with this. My brothers are so mind blown with how I can have an app. But soon I can hope to get a mouse and like a mouse pad or something. Most likely not, but at least you're gonna have buttons to control. I don't know why I'm waving my hand in the air. It just feels the need to. So if you like this creation and want to make me, if you want me to make more videos about it and showing you guys the updates I've been doing to it, I will be trying to work on this constantly. Like this video, tell me down in the comment section below, and you guys have a good time. And if you like stuff like this, I don't know, just do what you want. And yeah, this is my redstone computer.